Hello everyone, in this video we are going to test the newest Symfony version. I'm talking about the 4.1 version. As you can see, there are many really nice improvements. As you can check on this site, the newest version is the most performant ever created version. And let's create our project. I'm using the create project command because I want to create a basic classic site web as it is recommended on the website. It means this project will come with the basic components, the basic bundles. Doctrine, twig, serializer, security, annotations, validation, monologue, everything we are used to have with a basic and classic website application. And okay, let's go into our application folder. In my case, it's Sim app. Of course, all the time, the first thing I do is to get Git. If you don't have Git initialized, you just have to run the git init command to get your Git repository. Then you can add all the files. As you can see, with git add dot, we added everything. I'm going to edit git ignore to add the idea folder, because at work we are used to work with PHP Storm, so I don't want Git to follow the variations, the changes in the idea folder. So we have to add this folder in the .gitignore file. Okay, right quit, and that's it. We can check the modifications with git status. As you can see, git ignore has been modified. We add everything again, and now we can execute our first commit. Let's commit everything. Symfony project just started. Good. So we have our first commit done. Nothing to commit because we just committed everything, and our first commit appears in the git log. Opening the IDE, with Bin console we can check the version, and I'm going to install via Composer the server bundle or component. Something interesting in PHP Storm is that you can add the Symfony plugin that is really helpful to navigate inside a Symfony project. So you just go in the settings menu and you search the framework Symfony and you enable this plugin and you're done. As you can see, we have the Symfony project with no files at all. Okay, the server component has been installed. We can execute run our server with bin console server run. And there you go. You just copy paste the URL on your web browser. Here, paste, and let's go. Good. We just installed our first application, website application, using Symfony 4.1. Many thanks for watching this video.